Hey guys, today I'm here to show you how to install the PAC-TETHER onto your TL82A to keep it attached to your container whenever you need to remove it. You won't lose it, it'll stay attached onto your handle. And I'll also show you a trick where you can keep it attached onto the container, but also remove it without cutting the tether if you need to down the road. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a crimping tool. For people that don't have a crimping tool, wire cutters work perfectly. You want to make sure you have your PAC-TETHER. Go ahead and make sure you have the crimp, as well as your 2mm hex, and then your lock. First thing you want to do is go ahead and find this tiny little hole on the bottom of the lock, as well as this 2mm Allen at the top. And if we just loosen that just a little bit, enough where it doesn't come out, we can go ahead and insert our tether into the padlock. And I just use that finger to hold it there while we tighten it up, keep it in place, keep it from falling. So we just tighten that up. Now that's not coming out. That's pretty strong. So we go ahead and grab our tether clamp. And if we just run this through twice, we'll run it through one side and run it through the other side, back through. So, I mean, that's, once you crimp it here, you know, that's all you need to do. If you just loop it through, crimp it, that's good enough. You're done. You keep it on there, you can still lock it. What I like to do is give it just a little bit there, and then give a decent amount, about there. And now what this does is that allows us to throw the lock back through. So we can remove this without cutting the wire. So once we crimp that, that'll hold it in place. We'll throw this through and throw our lock through. Cinch that up real good. We can lock it up. Lock stays there. And when we unlock it, lock hangs right there. You'll never lose your lock again. Keep it right on your container. Thanks for watching, guys.